Hey, you culinary cats and kittens, Chef Eric Villegas here, and welcome to Sous Vide Fresh Bites. Today's recipe, how about pesto? How about a ricotta walnut pesto tossed with bucatini pasta? Can't wait, let's get cooking. I got a food processor here, and I've got my ricotta here. I'm going to take, I don't know, about 4 ounces or so, or a nice handful of ricotta, and put it right in the mixer bowl. To that, I'm going to add a host of ingredients. So right here, I've got some chili flakes, and I've got some toasted walnuts, I've got some lemon zest, and I've got some fresh oregano. And I'm just gonna slide those all in the mixer. That's perfect. And then, like most pestos, finely grated Parmesan cheese, and that's going in the biz bag. And then to that, I'm also going to add some garlic. Sous vide confit of garlic cloves. I'm gonna put a couple 4 of those in there. You could use them whole like this, or you could puree them, and that would be fine. And then I think we need a little bit of lemon and a little bit of salt. That's just about everything. So let's go ahead and put on the lid. So I'm gonna go ahead and drizzle some of this garlic oil in, and you can see what we're getting, a beautiful mixture. And it's perfect. Done, finished. Right now, this pesto would be a fabulous dip, but what I'm going to do is I'm gonna toss it with fresh bucatini pasta. I've got my pesto. I'm gonna just take a bunch of it, because I love it. Put it right in my bowl. And now I'm gonna add some of the hot pasta cooking liquid to it, just like that. And I'm gonna grab my tongs, and I'm just gonna kind of mix it up. Emulsified love going on. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and add some bucatini right to the bowl, like that. And then I just kind of wanna stir that together. Just a little bit more there. And if you're, I'm using bucatini, but you could use any pasta. And if you're in operation making your own pasta and you make your own ricotta and you make this, it's like absolutely delicious and super simple to make. Sous vide ricotta. Once you master the basic technique, which is zero work, so simple, look at everything you can create. And this is just the tip of the iceberg. Wait to see what you can do in your own kitchen. So there you have it, yet another Sous Vide Fresh Bites. If you enjoy what you saw and you want to see more, hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I would love to hear from you. Please leave a comment and let's chat. So until next time, see ya!